my eyes messed up.
Just look at the. What if I started cussing?
Right. Just look at the motherfucker. We can't be cussing on YouTube. You better.
What up, fam bam? How are you doing? This is Modern League Kitchen, aka your favorite couple here to give you the keys on how to keep your kitchen blessed with no stress.
And at the end of the day, isn't that what we want? Yes. So, Kirsty, why don't you tell the folks what we're making today?
Today we're making a Cajun blackened pasta. Really something I'm into, the Cajun aspect, because my roots are Louisiana, y'all. My mama Louisiana, my daddy Louisiana.
This video done turned into something else. We apologize, ladies and gentlemen. You came here for a recipe and now you're getting some Beyonce.
Today's pasta is going to incorporate shallots, garlic, peas, mushrooms, and my favorite Cajun spice. Something tasty, decadent, and delicious, but most important, sexy. Cue me.
If you guys tuned into our last video, which, by the way, if you haven't already, follow us on Instagram at Kirsty Roots and Izzy Lee Media so you can keep up with all of our daily content on the regular. Also, subscribe to this channel to get more videos just like this. If you guys tuned into our previous video, we did a recipe involving the Aisha cookware, and today we're doing the same thing, saucing it up, giving you guys a new recipe with this awesome cookware, which, by the way, if you wanted to get, a link to, we'll leave that down in the description below.
But enough that spiel, let's get to the meat. Shallots, garlic, rosemary, mushrooms, chicken.
And
okay,
not in that order.
First you're gonna start with your sea salt. Just eyeball it, literally. Make sure it's seasoned well. Pepper. And then you're gonna go into your Cajun seasoning. I got this from the farmer's market. I love the farmer's market. You want to make sure it's nice and packed onto the chicken. You really want to rub it down. Make sure the flavor penetrates the chicken. These are chicken thighs, by the way. I chose these because they're very juicy and the fat content makes it just all that better. Do it on both sides. Again, just rubbing the chicken, making sure it's fully covered. Now you're going to get your olive oil, put it in a hot pan. And then you're gonna sear those bad boys. You're gonna make sure they're nice and brown on each side before turning. That's the kind of brownness you want. You're gonna cover to aid in cooking for 6 to 8 minutes. Here's the finished product. Slice it up and put it to the side. Now time for the pasta. You're gonna need half and half Cajun seasoning, pepper, sea salt, and olive oil. You're gonna start off by sauteing your shallots and your mushrooms and your garlic, but don't burn the garlic. Watch that garlic, people. Now next you're gonna add your half and half, and when that looks like a good amount, you're gonna salt, pepper, and then add some rosemary, fresh rosemary. You're gonna add your pasta to that sauce and let it cook in the sauce. This is a great way of getting flavor into the pasta. You're just gonna stir and add your chicken broth to loosen it up so it's not too thick. Now you're gonna add some Cajun seasoning to really emphasize that flavor. Cover. Continuously stir so the noodles don't stick to the bottom and so the sauce doesn't burn. Add some chicken broth and milk as needed. I added milk because I thought that the liquid content was evaporating too quickly, and you can add whatever you want to this pasta. I added peas and cheese, Parmesan to be exact. Right, it's looking good. Make sure to continuously stir.
All right, guys, so now that we've done a little bit of our prep, we've got our chicken here nice and grilled, seared, half the pasta, still kind of hot, but we got the pasta, baby, is prepared, blackened. So, babe, what's the next step? Now we're going to put this together.
We're just going to plate it.
Just going to plate it. Dad, just look at that. Oh. You ever just get that, baby, you ever get that feeling and you just got to, your mouth is just watering and you can't control it?
Yes. Chicken.
And as you can see, babe here has sliced it up a little bit. Give it a little bit of an authentic look. Of course, you could dice it if that's what you prefer, but we all hear about that. Exactly. That's exactly what I was going to say. It's aesthetic. The key word is aesthetic. We got to top it off.
Parsley.
Ooh, I'm going to call you Parsley Bae.
Ooh.
Where you sprinkling that Parsley Bae?
I like that.
That's how the pros do. Be careful with it. Don't drop that dun through them. Don't drop that dun through. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have our final product. This beauty, and this beauty.
But guys, it's been real. We're about to dive into this right now.
About to just sink my teeth into it. If you guys like this video, remember to drop a like on the video as well as subscribe to this channel. It only takes 3 seconds, so I won't hear no excuses.
Also guys, like us and follow us on Instagram for more content that we don't showcase in our YouTube videos. But until next time, this has been your Modernly family, aka your favorite fam in the kitchen, reminding you to always stay blessed, don't stress.